Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve few more important questions from the lesson Arithmetic Progression. Carefully go through the videos and write these questions and answers in your notebook. These are very important questions and this can ask in the examination. Okay. First question. If the sum of first n terms of an AP is given by Sn equal to 3n square minus 4n, find the nth term. Given Sn equal to 3n square minus 4n. Find an. That's the question. We have to find an. We know that Sn means a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus etc. plus an. That is Sn. a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus etc. plus an. That is Sn. It means the sum of n term that is given here. So it means S1 means first term, means one term. A2 means sum of two terms. A3 means sum of three terms. Such a way we can find out A1, A2 and A3. By substituting n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. So first we are giving n equal to 1, S1. S1 means A equal to 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1. That is 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1. S1 equal to minus 1. S1 means A1. First term. Now S2. We know S2 means A1 plus A2. That is S2. So giving n equal to 2. So what we are getting S2 equal to 3 into 2 square minus 4 into 2. That is 3 into 4 minus 4 into 2, 8. 3 into 4, 12. 12 minus 8 equal to 4. We know S2 equal to 4. That is S2 equal to A1 plus A2. That equal to 4. We know the value of A1, that is minus 1. Therefore, we can substitute the value of A1 here. So, minus 1 plus A2 equal to 4. That is A2 equal to minus 1 taking opposite side changes to plus. So, 4 plus 1, 5. So, we are getting A2 equal to 5 and A1 equal to minus 1. So, we can find the common difference D. D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 5 minus minus 1, that is equal to 6. So D is equal to 6. Find out An. An means using the general form A plus n minus 1 into D. That is A equal to minus 1 plus n, we have to give n itself. N minus 1 into D is equal to 6. That is minus 1 plus 6n minus 6. That is equal to 6n minus 7. That is the nth term equal to 6n minus 7. Second question. The ratio of the sums of first m and first n terms of an AP is m square is to n square. Show that the ratio of its mth and nth terms is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Given Sm is to Sn equal to m square is to n square. That is given in the question. Sm is to Sn equal to m square is to n square. we have to prove that am is to an equal to 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. This is the question. Given Sm is to Sn is m square is to n square. We should find am is to an equal to 2m minus 1 equal to 2n minus 1. Okay, so we can apply the formula. Sm means n equal to m. S means sum. So we are applying the formula, general form of sum of first n term of an arithmetic progression. Here n equal to m. Therefore, m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d by Sn n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to m square by n square. It is given in the question. So there by 2 we can cancel, and we can do the take this m opposite side and n also opposite side. So the by n will go to the numerator, and this numerator, from the numerator this m will come to the denominator. So what we are getting, that is 2a plus m minus 1 into d by 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to m square into n by n square into m. So we are cancelling m and square, n and square. We are getting 2a plus m minus 1 into d by 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to m by n. Then how to do the cross multiplication and simplification. So n is coming this side, so n into 2a plus d should come inside, so m d minus d equal to m into 2a plus n d minus d. That is equal to n we are multiplying inside, 2an plus m n d minus n d equal to 2am plus m n d minus m d. The common term with the same side we can cancel. No, from both the sides, the common term with the same sign we can cancel from both the sides. So m n d will get a cancel. So we are getting 2an minus nd equal to 2am minus md. Now grouping. 2am come this side, nd is taking opposite side. So 2an minus 2am equal to nd minus md. The 2a is common factor, we are taking out 2a into n minus m equal to d, taking common factor d into n minus 1. Now the common factor we can cancel from both the sides, or this n minus 1 taking opposite side and it is getting cancelled. So we are getting d equal to 2a. Now substitute d equal to 2a in am by an. We know am by an equal to, here n is equal to m, therefore a plus m minus 1 into d by a plus n minus 1 into d. We are substituting d equal to 2a, so we are getting a plus m minus 1 into 2a by a plus n minus 1 into 2a. Now 2a multiply inside, that equal to a plus 2am. 2a into m, 2am minus 2a by a plus 2an minus 2a. So simplifying, a minus 2a minus a. So we are getting 2am minus a by 2an minus a. Now a common factor taking out is getting 2m minus 1 by a into 2n minus 1. A get cancelled. So we are getting am by an equal to 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. That is am is to an equal to 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Hence we find the answer.